Hey, this is Guap. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool Miss right here, and basically what this is a weighted blanket. And the one that we got right here is in a brand called Bedsure. So for this product, they actually come in many different colors and many different sizes. So they have it for like twin size, queen size, king size, full size, and the list goes on. And in terms of color, they have it like gray, navy, light gray, and the list goes on. But the one that we got right here is a twin size, and it is the gray color. And this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me open it up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So I definitely love the fact of how they already got this little bag to actually hold the blanket inside. And if you guys ever need to bring this on the go, you can definitely pack it back in the bag, which is pretty cool. Alright, so here's a piece of paper for the one that we got right here. And then when we open up the bag, this is basically what the blanket looks like inside. Immediately, once we feel the blanket on here, it definitely feels really nice and very soft. You can definitely feel that cotton material on here that they mentioned. And they also mentioned that the material that they use on here is body temperature control, which is pretty awesome. So the outer layer is 100% cotton, but the inner layer has some other stuff inside. So they mentioned the inner layer has 10% microfiber padding and then 90% glass bead. In terms of the material of the fabric that they have on the actual product here, is 2-layered. So that way you don't have to worry about any of like the glass bead or whatever coming out or leaking out. So basically the benefits of using like a weighted blanket is to help improve your mood and also help you guys fall asleep much easier as well. So if you guys really think about it, it's supposed to help you guys relax. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out from the bag, you guys can see that this is basically what the blanket looks like. But let me actually open it up and show you guys how big the actual blanket is for the one that we got right here. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see how big the blanket is. So the one that we got right here, I believe was 12 pounds, but they also have one that's 15 pounds. But like I mentioned, they do have this available for like queen size, king size, and full size, and the list goes on. But this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys feel the inner layer right here, you definitely feel like those glass beads that they mentioned inside right here. And when you guys try to move it around, you literally don't hear any of the beads that's moving around, which is pretty awesome. Compared to other weighted blankets that has a bead inside, you can actually hear when the beads are moving. This one you guys can't hear the bead at all, which is pretty nice. And the way how they designed the blanket right here, they do have this part on the side. So that way if you guys want to put a cover in the outer layer, you definitely can. Because this is basically like the inner layer, like an insert. But for this product, you can definitely throw this into the washer and dryer if you guys want to. So if you guys do want to wash your product, you definitely want to use cold water to wash it. If you guys want to dry it in the dryer, you definitely want to tumble dry low. So use it in the lowest setting, but this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually go wash and dry this first and then come back and test it out. Alright, so we just threw in the weighted blanket inside right here. So we'll wash it on cold water. Alright, so we're using that setting. And the washer that we use it from this brand right here. And then here is our dryer that we're gonna use afterward. Alright, so we just finished washing and drying it. Now let's test it out. So for the blanket, if you guys just want to use this like casual like this, so just like this. If you guys want to use it like that, you definitely can. Like the moment we actually put this on, it definitely feels really nice. It kind of feels like someone is hugging you or something. But definitely the moment we actually put this on, I could definitely feel that's actually really, really warm. But in terms of the weight of the product, it doesn't feel that heavy. But if you guys do end up getting like a heavier one, like for the queen size or whatever, it's definitely going to be much more heavier. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. If you can see, definitely looks pretty awesome and feels pretty awesome as well. But let me show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys were to use this on like a sofa or a bed. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the weighted blanket. Let me show you what it actually looks like when we actually use it. Alright, so once we put it on, this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely feels really nice and super heavy. It's not like super heavy to like 100 pounds or whatever because it's only 12 pounds. But if you guys get like the bigger one, like the 15 pound or like the queen size one, it definitely feels a lot more heavy. But literally the moment we actually put this on, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely gives you guys that lovey or hugging feeling, like someone's hugging you, which feels really nice. And the moment I actually put this on, it definitely gives me that relaxing feeling as well. But it definitely feels super nice, actually feels kind of warm as well once we actually put it on. But you can see from the actual blanket, it definitely has a very good coverage. It definitely fits like the whole entire twin size bed right here, right here. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys set it up and how to actually use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. So whether you guys want to use this in a sofa, your bed, or if you guys want to use this casually when you guys are in a chair, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. but definitely the overall product feels really nice, actually looks pretty awesome as well. I could totally see and feel how the product can be super beneficial over time if you guys want to fall asleep a lot easier or if you guys want to relax. But now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this weighted blanket, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys want to get like that hugging or loving feeling. If you guys want to get something to help you guys relax in terms of sleeping and everything else, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.